2023 Beta RR Race Edition 2-stroke lineup. First look. One big change this year. The 2023 Beta RR Race Edition lineup of 2 strokes is here. And there is one big change this year. These high-performance enduro motorcycles from Italy now get a KYB C46 rear shock to match the KYB AOS closed cartridge fork. The standard RRs continue to use Sachs ZF suspension. Otherwise, the quartet of 2 strokes in the 8 model RR Race Edition lineup is virtually unchanged from last year. While we can give you a quick rundown of what differentiates the RR Race Edition 2 strokes from the standard RR Enduro bikes. The Beta 300 RR Race Edition's engine significantly differs from the standard RR. It has a different cylinder head and power valve. Additionally, the transfer and exhaust porting is different, as is the ignition timing. The Beta 200 RR Race Edition's engine has some differences compared to the standard RR. The Race Edition gets a different cylinder head and a stiffer single power valve. There are 2 power valves on the RR. These changes increase the mid-range and top-end power. Handguards. Not only do the RR Race Editions get handguards, but this year they have new Beta-designed and manufactured hand protection. They're larger in previous years for more handguarding. Billet aluminum foot pegs. These pegs are wider and have stainless steel gripper pins. Quick-release front axle pull. To aid in wheel changes in race conditions, the front axle of each Race Edition gets an alloy lever with red anodization. Metzeler tires. Although the photos show Maxxis Max Enduro tires on the 2023 RR Race Editions, Beta assures us that the bikes will arrive in the United States with Metzeler 6 days rubber. Gripper seat. It has an anti-slip cover with a built-in pouch, plus a stylish blue color. ZF Hybrid rear sprocket. It has a lightweight aluminum base with a toothed steel outer ring for enhanced durability. Also, the chain tensioner is red billet aluminum. Black anodized shift lever and brake pedal, plus a billet aluminum transmission filler cap with red anodization. These upgrades are primarily cosmetic. The graphics are new and specific to the Race Edition. That includes the red and blue wheel decals. You won't have to wait long to get the 2023 Beta RR Race Edition 2 strokes. They'll be at Beta dealers in November. Prices range from $10,399 for the flagship 300 RR Race Edition to $8,999 for the 125 model.